Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Gap easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the Gap website or mobile app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the budget section. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Select Create a new budget. Choose the time frame for your budget. Set your income amount for the period. List all your fixed expenses, like rent and utilities. Input variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Be realistic about your spending habits. Review your previous spending to inform your estimates. Allocate amounts for savings and debt repayment. Analyze the total against your income to ensure it balances. If necessary, adjust your expenses to align with your income. Once satisfied, save your budget. Regularly update your budget as needed. Track your spending daily or weekly for best results. Use the budget tracking tool to monitor your progress. Set alerts for when you approach your spending limits. Review your budget monthly to keep it relevant. Consider revising your budget for any significant life changes. Stay committed to your financial goals for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.